Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are at the country park and we're going to explore a lot of nature and we will show you as we go along. Yay! So let's start. So guys, we have found this weird looking blue creature.
Oh, it's flying.
It's already flying. Wow, it's already going so far. Wow. Let's try to touch it. Oh, stop me. He doesn't want you to touch him.
Wow.
That looks so nice. Guys, we found a ladybird. Look at that ladybird. It's on that leaf. And wow. I just got black. And it looks amazing. Yeah, it looks so nice. Yeah, it's cute. And small. Yeah, it looks so small and cute. Yeah, it's cute. Yeah. I don't think it will move. Guys, look at these beautiful flowers. They look so beautiful.
Wow.
They're so beautiful. Look at these flowers. Yeah. So guys, look at all these blackberries. There's so many wild blackberries growing all around here. Look at them. And they're gonna grow into big trees. Wow. Look, there's a big apple.
Wow.
Wow, that looks so nice. Guys, we found a spider. Whoa. Right here.
Ooh.
Look at the spider.
Make it move. Move the leaf.
I guess it's not going to move. So guys, we've made a pounding where if you throw the rock in the pond, that means that there's a big splash. Let's try. Whee! That's my door rock. Not this one. I got to look. Whee! I'm taking a little 2-year-old. Look guys, we found so many creatures. We found groups of ladybirds, we found groups of bees and flies. Look at all of them, they look so nice. I've never seen this many all together before. They look so nice.
Mama.
Wow guys, look at this.
Creatures.
Look at all of these. Ginger, look. Wow. They look so nice.
This is
And the flies look green as well and colorful. At the top of the flies, they look green. And there are a lot of flowers as well. Look guys, we found a spider and a spider web. It must have took him a long time to make that web. Wow, Maya, it looks nice.
look at that booty.
Yeah, Maya, look at the spider and the spider web. Can you see it? Yeah, it looks nice.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah. Look guys, we found this ladybird and we managed to get it on this twig. Look at it.
Oh no!
Yeah. Where did it fall?
Oh yeah, it's here. Wow.
Look at that. Over my hand. Wow.
Oh, it's going so fast.
Yeah.
Come in my
Oh! It just
It can fly as well.
Oh my. Listen, all the way here. Okay. Now it's even flying on my clothes. Look guys, another ladybird came on John's shirt. Look
Where
at
is
that.
it? It's flying on his shirt. Wow. John Cher is really enjoying it and it matches with John Cher's clothes and shirt.
Yes.
Wow.
That looks so nice.
Are you happy, John Cher?
Yeah.
Wow.
I have. Okay. So guys, we have found a butterfly and a bumblebee. Wow.
Oh, look at this one. Look at the bumblebee.
The bumblebee.
Wait,
Where's the butterfly?
wait. Can you see the bumblebee?
Yeah, I see the bumblebee.
It's so big.
Yeah, super fat one. I think the normal bees look very skinny and the bumblebees look very fat and weird.
Wow. And look at the butterfly.
Whoa, look at that. It's going through. Look guys, we found a butterfly. It looks so beautiful. Wow. It's got orange as well. It looks very beautiful. And I've never seen such a beautiful butterfly in my life. It looks so nice. Let's see if we can touch it.
butterflies.
Oh, look guys, there is a bee which has orange at the back and yellow at the front. It looks so different to all the other bees. Yeah. A very weird one.
Oh, now there are two of them.
Yeah. I've never seen so many before. And I've never even seen one. So there's just already two. And now there's only one now. Yeah. Third one flew away. Yeah, and they're both of them there again. Yeah. And there's a normal bee.
And now there are a lot of ladybirds as well on this.
Yeah.
One ladybird and
I found one here.
There's a frog.
Look guys, we are at the bottom of the lake and we just want to show you the scenery. Wow, looks so beautiful.
Yes, and we hope there's frogs.
Yeah, there's a lot of things here. This lake is super big.
Yeah.
It's enormous and gigantic and ginormous. Super big. Yeah. Yeah. And there's rocks and a lot of things here. So guys, we have found the snail, but he doesn't want to come out of his shell. So let me show you. Guys, this is his shell, and it looks very colorful, but it looks a bit dirty. But let me show you what's inside of it. Look at it. There's the snail inside. Wow, it looks so weird. Wow.
So guys,
we have a big gigantic tree which is few hundred years old. Yeah, it's so thick. Yes, and you can't even climb up because it's very ginormous. Yeah, it's so high. I've never seen a tree this thick and this high before. It's so big and its branches are even super thick. Branches are as thick as normal trees. And it's even this big and it's huge. Look guys, I found some wild mushrooms. I've never seen any mushrooms before growing. Look at it. It looks so cool. Wow. And there's so many of them. Yeah, there's even some small ones right here. Yeah. There's so many. And they're growing so big. Yeah. Wow. Look guys, we found these enormous, gigantic leaves. And they have a lot of holes in them as well. They're super big. And they're huge. And they're biggest. Yeah, I've never seen such big leaves in my life. They're so big. We have found lambs. They look so nice. Look at them eating grass. Yeah. So many. Yeah. It looks so big. Yeah. And they're just right through that gate. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And we will all see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.